channel Echo. In this video today I'm gonna show you how to jailbreak the latest model Grok. So Grok, how to you. So this is Grok 3 created by XAI. So let's check out is can we bypass at limit or not. Let's first check code malware using Python. So here it's saying that like its limit is stopping it from doing the thing. Let's try out. I have some prompt here. This it is written by another AI. Like I jailbroke those AI and I write it. Let's try. And let's now do quick test. This let's try C++. So checking, yeah, started to code the malware. So that's it.